Hi everyone. This is a quick tutorial on how to install the post processor for the Masso CNC router into Autodesk Fusion 360. You will need this post processor to export G-code files for the Masso machine, and the Masso machine is the blue and white CNC router. The first step is to come to this website, which will be linked in the description of this video. It is Autodesk's website where they host all of the different post-processor files. The link should bring you directly to this page, but if it doesn't, you will want to type this into the search bar. The next step is to click download on the first Masso. You can see here it's for milling, which is the same or similar to CNC router. We do not want to use plasma or turning. So we'll click the first one here for milling. And we can just download this to our downloads folder. The next step is to open up Fusion 360. It will most likely bring you to the design page first that you can see here when you first open it. So the first step is to come up to the top left where it says design, and we want to move into the manufacturing tab. The next step is to enter the post library. So you should be able to see this on the far right. Maybe if your screen is smaller, it might be hidden, but you're looking for the post library. It will be under the manage tab. So we go ahead and open that. And if it's the first time, it'll probably open to this Fusion 360 library. What we want to do is navigate to the local library. Once you navigate to the local library, you should see this import button become available. You can click that, go to your downloads, and select the Masso file. Okay, and once you see Masso here, that is good to go. You can hit close. Now that the post processor has been installed, eventually when you go to create your codes and you press NC program, you'll want to select Masso from the dropdown. And if it's not in the dropdown, you'll want to navigate for it. So you'll click the folder icon, go to local, and select Masso. This ensures that when you export the code, it is in the correct language that Masso will understand. And we will cover more of this menu when we go to program different codes. Okay, so that is how to set up the Masso post-processing. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out.